Imagine your boss asks, how many working days are there between these two dates? Most people start counting on a calendar, but Excel can do it instantly. Here's the formula that saves you time every single day. The Networkdays function calculates the number of working days between two dates. It automatically excludes weekends and can also ignore holidays. There is a similar function called networkdays.intl, which lets you define which days are considered weekends. But in this video, we'll focus only on the Networkdays function. Here I have a table of projects. Each project has a start date and an end date. I want to calculate how many working days each project lasts. The first argument is the start date, and the second argument is the end date. Excel immediately calculates the number of working days. After filling the formula down, it is automatically copied to the rest of the column. But there's one problem. What if there was a public holiday during the project? The Networkdays function allows us to exclude holidays as well. On the right, there's a list of US public holidays. The third argument is the range containing the holiday dates. The range is locked with the dollar symbol by pressing or F4, so that every formula uses the same holiday list. Notice that the number of working days changes immediately. Now imagine you're starting a project today. How many working days are left until the end of the month? This combination is very useful for planning deadlines. We can only change the dates and get the number of working days between them. Suppose an employee is on vacation from July 6th to July 17th. How many working days will they be absent? Excel immediately returns the exact number of working days. Now you know how to calculate the number of working days between two dates, exclude holidays, and use this function in everyday work. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.